So our free will plays a very big role. And another interesting thing about our free will is sometimes the free will, because the living entity is always after rasa. Either Sat Rasa or Chit Rasa or Ananda Rasa. Either power rasa or knowledge rasa or love, pleasure rasa. It's always in one of these things. If you take your 24 hours, you will see sometime you will be perceiving knowledge rasa. Suddenly you will go into the mode of pursuing sense gratification, pleasure rasa. Sometimes some portion of the time you will be spending in existential problems, satrasa, power. How to achieve that, how to achieve this, all those things, right? How to do this work, how to maximize my collection and all those things, or maybe he'll be managing how to achieve this end. So he is in the sat mode at that time. Or now you read Prabhupada's books, you want knowledge rasa, you seek and you're reading. That time you're in the chit rasa. Sometimes then some other times your mind goes towards sense gratification. Either Krishna gratification or sense gratification, senses. If you want to take prasadam, yes, that is Krishna gratification. But you are in the sense mode. So if you take 24 hours a day, you will see that the material world, our consciousness is spending time here. That is the reason, if you see, when your consciousness is trapped in sense gratificatory mode, that time you are so knowledgeable, you know so many things. This should not be done, it should not be done, all those things. But still you will get trapped, you will do it. Why? Because you don't realize that I have knowledge rasa, I can take knowledge rasa, it gets suspended. Knowledge, even sat rasa, everything gets suspended, and then we engage in sinful activities. This is because we do not have the choice that I have got rasas beyond sense gratification. I got knowledge rasa, I can dovetail in reading Prabhupada's books.